Okay, first I need to open my web browser. Then visit drive.google.com and log in. Okay, drive.google.com. Once you log into your Drive account, your Google Drive account, you'll be on the home menu item. All right. So click on My Drive. This gives you access to any folder you have on your account and other files. Okay, so look at this picture, it ends in JPEG. That's what I want to share with someone. So click on the picture you want to share with someone. On clicking on that picture, it will be selected just once, all right? So you see some options here. Once you take your cursor to each of these icons, the system will tell you what it stands for. And this is the share icon. So click on share. And here it displays the email address that is linked to this Drive account. All right. And here it wants you to type the email address of the person you want to send the picture to. So I'm sending to contactgodwintech@gmail.com. All right. So the email address shows up here. I'll click on it and it is added. All right. Then here you can click here to select the role of this person. But by default, editor is selected, which is cool. All right. You can click on settings to see the permission you have. Editor can change permission and share and viewers can and commenters can see the options, okay, to download and print. It's okay. So I'll go back here. I like these settings. So the next step you need to take is to leave maybe a few message. Let me say work with it. And once you're done with this, the next step you need to take is to click on send. So contact godwintech@gmail.com will get this picture in his email address. So let me walk you through on how to download that picture from that email address to the Photos app of his iPhone because his Gmail address is connected to his iPhone. So let's get to the iPhone. So I am on my iPhone screens and I have Gmail already installed on this iPhone. So I will tap on the Gmail app. Alright, this has opened and look at the email I got from Godwin Tech 2 to contact godwintech@gmail.com. So I will tap on this and it opens. Alright, you can see a preview of the picture I want to save inside this my iPhone. So the next step you need to take is to tap on the picture. Once you tap on the picture, it will open like this. Please, if you don't have Google Drive mobile app already installed on your iPhone, please do it because it will make the whole thing easier. All right. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. This provides you with some options. Tap on download. You can see 70 photos. You can see the progress. And with this picture is now saved into the Photos app of my iPhone. Let's get to the home screen and get to the Photos app to see if we can find this. And here is the picture. So this is how you can share file from your OneDrive, from your Google Drive account to an email address and still download the same picture into your iPhone. It is that simple. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have further questions. Alright? And see you some other time. Thank you.